everyone, welcome to Number Corner. We're going to start with our calendar today. So number 5, first of all, you're going to need your math notebook before we start, sorry. Go ahead and get your math notebook out, which is where you put your calendar grid observations and your 2 graphs. You're also going to need for Number Corner today, your Number Corner book. Okay, so we have 2 books. We have the Bridges notebook and the Number Corner book. So make sure you have the one that says Number Corner. Okay? If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video to get all of those supplies together. If you're ready, we're going to start with our calendar. So today, for number 5, we have loops and groups. So it looks like we have 5 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with 1 apple in each one. So go ahead and get out your math notebook. And I'm going to share my screen. Let's see. Switch my camera so you can see. Okay. So today's date, we're going to start right here. I'm going to skip a line. So I'm going to do 9-3. Is today's date, okay? And we have our apples right here. So again, I have loops and groups. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. So the model is a loop, okay? And then my description is I have 5 loops and 5 apples. Okay? Oh, I'm sorry. 5 loops. Let's change that. 5 loops. Sorry. 5 loops with 1 apple in each. Okay? So 5 loops with 1 apple in each. That's better. So then our equation is going to be 5 because we have 5 loops, and then we have 1 apple in each. 5 times 1 equals 5. Okay? For our next one, this is number 6. So this is a ratio table. So we have 1, 2, 2, and then 4, and then 3, and then question mark. So if I look here, I know 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So this must mean 3 times 2 would equal 6. Okay? So right underneath my loop, I'm going to write ratio. Ratio table. Okay. Then I have 3 people with 2 eyes each. Okay. So this shows 1 person with 2 eyes, 2 people with 4 eyes, and then 3 people would have 6 eyes. Okay? All right, so my equation for that would be 3 times 2 equals 6. Okay? And if I had more room on my paper, I would label it eyes. Maybe I'll try to squeeze it in there. Eyes. Okay? All right. Now you are going to get out your Number Corner book. So we're not going to do graphing today. We're going to look at our Number Corner book. And what you're going to do is you're going to turn all the way to this back page. It's called A1. The page is A1, and the page is called Problem String Workspace. Okay? So what we're going to do today is we're going to look at the equation Let me get a different pen. Okay. We are going to look at the equation 25 plus 25, which is a doubles. So I want you to think for a minute, how can I solve 25 plus 25? All right, so here's some ways that you can solve 25, 20, and 25. So you might just know 25 plus 25 equals 50. You might just know that because it's a doubles fact. Okay. You also could think of quarters. So a quarter is worth 25 cents. So you know that 2 quarters would equal 50 cents. So 25 cents plus 25 cents equals 50 cents. Okay? And make sure you're writing this down with me, all of these strategies. Okay, another strategy, this might be a little bit tricky, so watch closely. So if I have 25 plus 25, okay, I'm going to look at my 2's right here. And they are in the tens space. So the 2 actually represents 20. So I have a 20 there, and I have a 20 here. Okay, that equals 40. Okay, then I could add my 5's. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. So then I know I have 40 right here, and I have 10 right here. So I could add 40 plus 10 equals 50. So that's kind of a long way to solve the problem. Okay, another way that you can do is like stack it like a hamburger, which this is my favorite way. I go like this, 25 plus 25, and I stack it like a hamburger like that. Okay, then I look at, so this is my 1 spot right here with the 5. Then this is my 10 spot with the 2. So I'm going to add my 1 spot first. 5 plus 5 is 10. Well, I can't just write 10 right there. So if I look at the number 10 and I break it into my 1 spot and my 10 spot, the 0 is in my 1 spot, so I'm going to put that here. Then I'm going to bring my 1 over to my 10 spot. So then I have 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. Okay, and that's how we can stack it like a hamburger. So the point of it is for you to know that there are many ways to solve a problem. As long as you find the right answer, that's great. So find a strategy that works best for you for each problem and find the answer, and that's great. Okay, so if you have any questions, please let me know. That's our number corner for today. Don't forget to write all of this down in your notebook. I'll be checking it when you come back. Have a good day.